Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your screenplay is a fixed, complete draft saved as a single PDF. Next, create a U.S. copyright account and log in. Once done, choose Register a Work and select Literary Work. You'll enter the title, author credits, and creation date. Make sure these match the manuscript metadata. Finally, prepare payment. The standard online fee is paid by card. This gets you into the application flow so you can upload and submit. Now you fill the detailed application fields. You'll select the category, literary work, and state whether the screenplay is unpublished or published. This affects the rights assertion. Then provide authorship and claimant details. You, co-writers, or a company, make sure names and attribution match the script header. Upload the deposit PDF. Name it clearly title author. PDF and confirm it meets size and format rules. Once uploaded, review every entry carefully, because inconsistencies, slow processing, or trigger refusals. Finish by paying the fee and using the review summary to confirm all entries. Once you submit, you'll get an email, receipt, and later a registration number. You should immediately save copies of the deposited PDF and all correspondence. These protect you if disputes arise. If your submission is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the specific field or file, and resubmit promptly. If unclear, contact the Copyright Office Help Desk for guidance. That quick follow-up prevents long delays and preserves filing dates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.